If you want to travel to Gioc Waterfall Cao Bang, you can refer to this video. The distance from Hanoi to Cao Bang is 340 kilometers. So the travel time is about 7 to 8 hours. You can go by car by 2 routes according to Google Map. The road to Gioc Waterfall Cao Bang is very beautiful for you to admire the surrounding scenery on both sides. You can experience horse riding service inside the tourist area or walk. Entrance fee to the tourist area is 40,000 Vietnamese dong. From afar we can see an extremely beautiful scene appearing before our eyes, which is the branches of Gioc Waterfall. Souvenirs and clothes woven by the ethnic people living around are sold along both sides of the road leading to the waterfall. In addition, there are foods and drinks to help tourists when tired. Boats are always ready to take tourists closer to the waterfall or go on an experience tour along the Khe Sanh River. The boats are very sturdy and have protective vests. Gioc Waterfall is one of the famous waterfalls not only in our country but also known to international friends. Located in the top 4 largest transnational waterfalls in the world, this place is increasingly attracting many tourists to Cao Bang to admire. The waterfall is located between the Vietnam-China border, so it has 2 names. If you look from the foot of the waterfall, there are 2 parts, the left waterfall, called the secondary waterfall, and the right waterfall, called the main waterfall. The secondary waterfall and half of the main waterfall on the left belong to Vietnam. The remaining half on the right of the main waterfall belongs to China. One of the things that makes Gioc Waterfall beautiful is the main waterfall, which does not flow straight down from top to bottom but as undulating mounds of land, divided into layers like stairs, causing the water of Khe Sanh River flowing through here to separate into many strips, creating a white patch between the land and sky of Cao Bang, interspersed with the green of trees and leaves. For tourists who are not interested in the rain, from September onwards, Gioc Waterfall enters autumn and is the driest. The sky is clear and the climate is extremely cool. The most special thing is that you can still admire the Khe Sanh River at that time, shimmering in a turquoise color, a masterpiece from the hands of Mother Nature. Coming here, visitors can also listen to traditional music typical of this locality.
Nào lục ngàn năm mượn Việt kiếm ơi nàng hai âu yếm thiết tha mới bước chân người trên thì minh tàn ban là bát ngát thiên đàng. Kín mang bao lương thần cháy mang thôi chứ ơn bàng ban đầy tình ơn bàng thần là thằng là phải thế đâu vì cần yên kế đây đó. Có ban thì cứ lo kiếm gần tèm thấm sương chân nam ao đồng đồng từ cho hơi nước cầm mà khuyên ôn ba thôi.
Sunset in Trung Khanh, Cao Bang is also very beautiful. It is worth for everyone to experience this tourist area.